Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for joining us today. We are Group 6 and the leader is me, Feng Xintong. These are our members: Li Wanjun, Liu Zhixuan, Liu Qingchuan, and Hu Yiyan. I'm honored to speak with you about an important project that addresses sustainability challenge faced by one of the world's leading fashion retailers, Zara. As we all know, the fashion industry is a rapidly evolving sector, with Zara leading the way in fast fashion production. Despite its global dominance, Zara faces significant environmental challenges due to its rapid production cycle and mass production. To address this issue, Zara is focusing on sustainability and reducing its environmental impact, thereby enhancing its position in the industry. First, let's define the problem we are solving. Zara is a part of the global fashion giant Inditex Group. The fast fashion model that Zara has perfected is based on rapid production cycles, frequent new collections, and providing fashionable clothing to the masses at affordable price. While this model has been a huge success from a business perspective, it has also created significant environmental issues, including large amounts of textile waste and a large carbon footprint. The decision maker for this project is Zara's head of sustainability, who is tasked with addressing these environmental issues. The problem is clear. Zara's business model, which emphasizes speed and volume while ignoring environmental considerations, is unsustainable in the long term. As global awareness of environmental issues grows, consumers and stakeholders are increasingly demanding that companies take responsibility for their environmental impact. Zara must adapt to this changing expectation, or risk damaging its reputation and losing its company edge. The urgency of the issue is evident from a wealth of evidence. Zara's operation generates more than 1 million tons of textile waste each year. This waste is a direct product of the fast fashion model, where garments are mass produced but often go unsold and end up in landfills. In addition, Zara has a dominant high carbon footprint, a result of energy-intensive manufacturing process and the frequent global shipping of goods. By 2030, Zara aims to reduce its environmental impact by more than 18% by adopting a more sustainable business model. This ambitious goal is crucial to keeping up with global sustainability trends and meeting the rising expectation of eco-conscious customers. This transition isn't just about following trends, but about leading the way toward a more responsible and sustainable future for the fashion industry.
Everyone, my name is Hu Yiyan. Today, to talk about the environmental challenges of Zara fast fashion model, focusing on three main points: environmental impact, business model, and consumer behavior. First, environmental impact. Zara fast production creates a lot of taxi waste and high carbon emissions. Unused fabrics and global shipping add to the environmental damage. Zara focus spend means relying on sustainable material and resources, which makes it harder to maintain in the long run. Last, the demand for China shipping clothing drivers overproduction and waste. Many consumers don't realize the environmental impact, which only the two problems. In conclusion, Zara is a faster fashion model resists serious environmental concerns. Both directors and consumers' habits need to change to become more sustainable. Look ahead. Zara is working on long-term sustainability with two key initiatives. Clothes recycling. We will introduce programs to recycle need clothes, reducing waste and involving customers in the sustainability after. Renewable energy, we are shifting our factories to solar and wind power to cut down and carbon emissions. Their steps will help Zara move toward the more sustainable future.
Hello, my name is Liu Anjun. Since there are multiple potential solutions, they must be prioritized based on their feasibility and impact. We use our prioritization matrix with the following axis. The x-axis is the ability of influence. The y-axis is the potential scale of impact. Based on this metric, we propose the following hypothetical solutions. Top right, recycle customers' old clothes. Customer can bring their old clothes to designated drop boxes at any of our retail stores, where they can be redeemed for points and exchanged for new clothing, and switch our manufacturing plant to renewable energy. Our first proposal focuses on implement a sustainable recycling program within our retail store, recycling customers' old clothes. Our goal is for customers to bring their old clothes to designated collection points, where they will reserve points that can be redeemed for new products. I believe that this program not only promotes environmental responsibility, but also engage and motivates our customer base. The key research question driving this program is what are the steps to successfully collect these clothes, and how can we effectively reward customers? To answer this question, we need to collect data on existing recycle programs, customers' behavior related to recycling, and technology used for textile processing. We will analyze data from companies that have already implemented successful recycling programs, such as H&M and Patagonia, as well as insights from academic literature and fashion industry reports. The analysis will use both quantitative and quantitative methods, including the ESG analysis to assess the program's environmental benefits, customers' participation rates, recycled materials and cost effectiveness, and customers' feedback. The entire project will be conducted in 3 phases: a 4-week research and planning phases, an 8-week pilot project implementation phases, and a 6-week final detailed connection and analysis phases. The end result will be a comprehensive report detailing the steps and result of the program, including environmental and customers' engagement metrics. We will also prepare a presentation and social media campaign for stakeholders to promote the program. The project aligned with sustainability commitment, reduce environmental impact, and establish customer connections. Sustainability impact future lives, and recycling customers' old clothes is an easy method to develop.
Hello, my name is Liu Qingchuan. In addition, another plan of ours is also very important, which is make our printing and production methods more by switching to remove engineer in or making for plants. This plan focuses on switching to clean energy such as solar, wind, and hot power. Our whole course is that deploying remove engineer will fairly reduce carbon emissions, reduce engineer costs in the long run, and make our company a leader in environmental respected research. Questions regarding the project are: do we have a strategic plan from traditional engineer to real engineer? Do we have persons and countries with remote engineers or peers to answer this question? We will collect data to create engineer competition, remote engineer availability, and try test. We will also address the facility of remote engineer at each plant location, including extreme and long-term motivation. Our data collection will include company engineer government reports and induce white papers on the protection of remote engineer. We will also expect cost studies and include from a remote engineer's crops and induce express in the clause. We will connect ESG analysis to evaluate environmental effects, such as reduce carbon emissions and engineer use. In addition, we will conduct fashion analysis to improve the field intel environment and long-term survey. The project will be completed in 3 weeks. A 6-week engineer duty and feasibility study place, an 8-week planning and contract place, and a 12-week impact and monitoring place. The total project last is 26 weeks. Our field output will include in the project plan a protection according the business and cost the increase team and the report that can be used for interact competitions to help to our equipment to remote engineer. Moreover, this file reports can help us explain how our plan with income and the implement defense come so that we can be accountable to strong first.
After surveying customers, we would that 70% of customers would be willing to participate in a recycling program if they could get a discount or reward. Additionally, in areas where recycling programs were implemented, stores saw a 15% increase in traffic and a 10% increase in sales of sustainable products. Inside, implementing a recycling program with customer incentives is likely to increase participation and increase traffic and sales, especially for sustainable products. This insight confirmed our hypothesis and provided a clear roadmap for rolling out this program at a larger scale. Finally, let's take a day to summarize where we stand, a snapshot of current understanding and next steps. Situation: the fashion industry is under pressure to reduce its environmental impact. Our company has recognized the need to move a more sustainable business model to meet consumer demand and regulatory expectations. Well, we have identified several potential solutions. Implementing them effectively requires careful consideration of customer behavior, operational feasibility and financial impact. For example, without the right incentives, customer participation in recycling programs remains low, limiting the overall effectiveness of our efforts. Our initial solution is to launch a customer-centric recycling program with incentives, which have the potential to increase participation and reduce waste. However, there are still some unknowns to be addressed, such as the logistical challenges of collecting and processing recycled materials. Going forward, we will refine our approach based on insights gained from our initial analysis and continue to explore additional solutions to further strengthen our sustainability efforts. In summary, the road to sustainability is not without challenges, but it's a journey we must embark on if we want to remain competitive and responsible in today's market. By implementing these pretty solutions, we can reduce our environmental impact, strengthen our brand, and meet the growing demand for sustainable fashion. I look forward to working with you to take these important steps towards a more sustainable future. Here is reference we used. Thank you for watching.